Hello everyone, it's Tim at Bigtoolrack. I'm very excited to announce a release of a new product. This is our Bigtoolrack Drawbar. It works with any Category 1 3-point hitch. It was designed around our YardRack, and our YardRack will plug right into this 2-inch receiver. You'll notice it has another hole on top here. That's for our stabilizer nut, so you can secure the YardRack. It attaches with that and one pin. I'm going to show you. I'll put the YardRack on here and you can see the whole setup. You just plug it right into the 2-inch receiver, push it in, and it's connected. Now, you put a pin in here, one pin there, and a clip on the other side. And also this stabilizer nut. You'll notice some of the guys are using a stabilizer bracket. With our setup now, you just need this nut and this bolt, I should say. This bolt will tighten down and secure the YardRack so it doesn't shake around. So this YardRack, you'll see we're gonna have a package deal with the YardRack. We're going to include 2 of the gear bags, one on each side. It's like almost like a motorcycle saddle bag. With these gear bags, there's 3 compartments in here. Two smaller compartments, very heavy duty ballistic nylon bag, and you can put your tools in there, your gloves, your glasses, whatever you like, cell phone. And we're going to include a bag on each side. Also with the YardRack, you can see here it's got a plastic liner in here, so that protects the bottom so it does not get ripped. Other thing you'll notice here as well is we have our Bigtoolrack 5-in-1 tool holder. This will hold the chainsaw and 4 long handle tools. It's our #1 selling accessory. And also that standard feature on the YardRack is our rubber strap tool holder. This will hold the long handle tool, an axe, shovel, things like that. And you get a drop-down hook. This drop-down hook will hold ropes, garden hoses, anything like that. But this whole package, we're going to do a promo on it. We're going to post something out today, and you'll be able to buy this whole kit with the 3-point connector. One other thing to mention with this is the YardRack folds up. There's a strap in here that will hold this in the upright position. If you want to keep it folded up, you have to get into a smaller area. The other thing that's going to come with this kit is our tow hitch. So when it's connected, you can lower this down and hook a little trailer up, maybe tow a little log splitter or something like that. So you can have all your tools with you, have your trailer with you, and it's going to be a great setup for a lot of tractors. You can see I have it on my Kubota 4760, which is a little bit larger tractor, and I use this on there all the time. But for the smaller tractors, the BXs, the 1025Rs, and other tractors like that, it's going to be a perfect solution to be able to carry the tools you need. Check us out at bigtoolrack.com.